Our products are inherently safe, first and foremost because of the design standard being ASME code and the safety factor built into the pressure vessel integrity and durability. But going beyond that, the two classes of products, gas charge and maintenance free, gas charge has a need for maintenance, but the process by which our products can be maintained is inherently safe as well. That is, if the customer follows the appropriate instructions. However, the maintenance-free product offers the ultimate safety to both the packager and his ability to sell that package as a safer product to his end user because obviously it's maintenance-free. The end user doesn't have to go in and tear anything down. It doesn't have to get on a ladder and replace something or doesn't have to take something apart. The maintenance-free product runs year after year after year with reliable durability and effective performance.